Hello viewers, I'm gonna start how much you gain knowledge, especially regarding antonyms or the opposite words in English. So I'm gonna start whether you say correctly or not. So let's commence it. The first one is, what's the antonyms of convict? 1, 2, 3. The answer is acquit. Okay. And the next one is, what's the antonym of spurious? The opposite, genuine. Okay. And the third one is, what's the antonym of notorious? 1, 2, 3 answer, famous. Okay. And the fourth one, what is the antonym of delay? 1, 2, 3 answer, haste. What antonym of observe? Answer is reverse. What's the opposite of egoism? 1, 2, 3 altruism. What's the opposite of ebb? 1, 2, 3 flow. Okay. What's the opposite of melody? Discord. What's the opposite of knowledge? 1, 2, 3 ignorance. Okay. What's the opposite of poison? If we take poison, then we have to give medicine to eradicate. Okay. So what will be the opposite of poison? 1, 2, 3 antidote. Okay. What's the opposite of recovery? 1, 2, 3 relapse. What's the opposite of time? 1, 2, 3 eternity. Okay, check your antonyms knowledge. Okay, how much you gained antonym words. What's the opposite of volunteer? 1, 2, 3 conscript. What's the antonym of word? Word. Okay, so the opposite will be return. Okay, so another word for return, what will be the antonyms of word? 1, 2, 3 deed. Okay, in business you have to write in partnership deed. Okay, deed. Okay, what's the opposite of zenith? What's the opposite of zenith? Zenith means the horizon in a space. Okay, in outer space, zenith, the far above. Zenith. What is the opposite of zenith? 1, 2, 3 nadir. Okay,